Hello and welcome back. And today we want to create a guy mast tower over 66-meter high and something similar to this. Let me just zoom out so that you see how high it is. Though it is an extra with some 6 meters high. So this is where we are heading to. And if I just bring this close, you can see we have this in place. Let me just press Ctrl R and pick my rotation point so you can see that. So we want to create something simple as this. So first of all, let me just delete everything and get started afresh. So let me just select on that and press delete on my keyboard, and I'll be able to select on that once again and delete that and delete everything here. So let me first of all undo, because I want to see the specifications of the section. The section we have, if I double click on that, you'll be able to see I have CHS 76.1 by 5 mm thick, and we have the bracings. We have a D20. If I double click on that, you'll be able to see we have a D20 here. So we will use this as bracings. And so this will be welded on that leg, and that will be welded on this leg straight away. Now, let me just get rid of this up to that spot and press my delete button on the mouse, on my keyboard, and press whatever you don't want to see here. So let me just get rid of all this, so that we get started from the start, or from scratch, as we call it. So normally, the dimension of our of the two legs we have from this center to this center. This is 66 or 0.660. So you just create an angle. This is an angle 60. So let me go straight and just start placing the columns, the two legs. So if I snap on that spot, you'll be able to see I have my column in place, but this is not the right member we intend to use. So I'll double click on that. So yeah, I'll come to that button there, and that will take me straight to the profile catalog. And from the profile catalog, I'll be able to select the right catalog of my choice. So I'll come here and scroll down and just select any part here and scroll down. Let me just minimize this. So if I scroll down, I'll be able to come to circular section, hollow sections here, and I'll come to CHS here and pick on 76 here, because that is what we have closer to the specified section. So we'll have to pick on this one, 71.5. So I'll go ahead and click apply and give it an OK. Then if I come here, I'll be able to just click apply. So once we have that, we have to change this dimension here. You can see a whole part has gone beyond 0 level. So we have to rectify that to take it to 0 level. So we have to double click on it. And change that to 0, and every segment of the tower is divided into 5.5 meters. So let me just key in 5500 right there and click modify. So I have these in place, and since I have my positions already defined, so it's not hectic. And as I had showed you on a different software, like in Cosmos, defining these angles are the same thing. So what I did, I created a line here. I used this point as my rotation point to create an angle of 16, and come here on this side also to use this as my rotation point and create an angle of 16 millimeter. Then from there, I managed to change my grid line to match the position of this this side of the third leg. Now let me just go ahead and just right click and come to spatial copy. And prior to that, let me just come here and try to use rotate, and I want to use rotate using a line. So let me pick line, and I want to rotate this by 120, and I need maybe 2 of these. And if I click copy, I want to use this center here as my rotation line. So if I click copy, I'll be able to get the 3 points in exact location as I intended them to be on. So you can see I have that in place, the 3 in place, by using the center here to copy. I've copied this about the center. Now I have my points already in place, because I want to start creating my 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 rafter. I mean the braces. So the braces, remember, we're using uh, a round bar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get started here. I'm going to, this time around, I'm going to use a polybeam. And to use, we are going to use a polybeam. And prior to that, let me just first confirm this is correct. This is 5.5. And the next thing we are going to do on the next presentation is to placement of the braces. So let's meet on the next presentation, where we'll start bracing these three legs of our guy mast tower. So let's meet then. Bye bye.